This one here is a 6 bottom teeth grill, custom fitted, 925 sterling silver solid with diamond cuts and diamond dust finish. It's a handmade piece. I'll show you the back side. So it's designed to fit our customer perfectly. You can choose a top, bottom, or a set. It's available on our website, blingcartel.com. 6 bottom teeth, handmade. This is a 6. You can go up to a 10 piece on the bottom or the top. Check us out, guys. blingcartel.com. Real solid silver grills, handcrafted, not made by a machine. Some of the other guys, this is handmade, guys. Check us out, blingcartel.com. Thanks for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.